I'm sorry.
Excuse you? Are you blind? What do you mean you're sorry?
I'm sorry, I was trying to...
Can you imagine? You don't need to make me turn around and tell me you're sorry. What does that mean?
I injured you.
Excuse me, stop it. Next time, watch where you're going, please.
I will, I'm sorry.
Oh, please just go. Go!
Alright.
So, I met my love interest.
Oh wow! Tell me something. Tell me you finally met him and then you professed your love to him. You read your love letter to him. I mean, you read your heart letter to him and then you told him how much you love him. Tell me.
No, what's that? I did not, but instead, we had issues. I had a fallout with him for hitting me when it was I that intentionally fell on him.
And
what? We both went our separate ways.
Ha! Maya, is this how much or how you profess your love to people you claim to love? You fall out on them, you get agitated. For crying out loud, this is a man you've always wanted to meet and profess your love to. I mean, read your heart letter to. What is the problem? Okay, the other time you said you guys met and then you didn't know how and when he disappeared. Now you meet again and you tell me you fell out? Like seriously?
Babe, how am I supposed to tell a man that I love him just like that? This is a man I met on a faceless app, remember?
Yes, you were supposed to tell him you love him because you actually love him. You've always wanted to have him to yourself. You both met on a faceless app, yet you dug deep and realized that he is the face behind the user. So just swallow your pride and shoot your shot, this girl.
Just like that.
How are you even sure he has not dug deep and realized that you're the face behind the user?
Can't do that.
And how are you even sure? You know, I wish I could see him to know how handsome he is so I could snatch you away from you.
You say what?
I said I will snatch your love interest from you.
Snatch who?
Yes, your love interest. I will snatch you.
Jennifer, you cannot say that.
Okay.
I will snatch you. Joke. Jennifer, don't even joke.
I will snatch you.
Don't play like that in your lifetime. You will snatch what?
Don't worry now. You shall see. Hey, I know that face.
What's it?
The smile.
What is it? Don't do that.
I should not do what?
Respect yourself.
I will do that. I want to see his face.
No, you will not see anything. Leave me alone. What is it?
Maya,
Can you leave me alone now? Leave me alone. Can you stop it? What is wrong with you? Look what's going to happen. You better go Google the site and find your Mr. Right somewhere. But you see mine, let him be. You're not going to see his face. So get that into your head and leave me alone. Am I clear? Don't disturb me.
Life of a single girl. God in heaven knows that I, Jenny, needs some love. Let me have the story. I must see it. I will see it. Maya, bring it. I should stop. I'm gonna stop.
You know that it's quite surprising how this person is always so fast to drop these gifts and then vanish into thin air. I mean, how does the person always know how?
Look what I found. It says, "Beautiful Maya, I hope this puts smiles on your face today. I love love." Oh, I like that sound.
Who is this person? I mean, why does this person keep sending me gifts anonymously? What is preventing him from coming and showing his face instead of acting this way?
Him?
Of course it's a he. But you expecting a woman to be sending me gifts? Anyway, mine is to accept the gifts, chop and clean mouth.
There you go again. The sender obviously knows gifts are special ways to your heart.
And tell me, how many of these gifts have penetrated to my heart? Like I care. See ya.
You know you like beautiful things, this girl.
Of course I do.
They don't see you finish. But truly, why can't Mr. Anonymous show his face? Well, if you're not interested, I'm in. I need some love.
I guess we're neighbors, right?
Oh, you're occupying the other building.
Oh, yes, I am. You look very familiar. Have I met you before?
Me? No, I don't. Because I don't know you.
Well, I guess it's mistaken identity then.
Yeah, whatever.
Hello, pretty ladies.
Pardon my manners, my name is Jake, and that's my friend Jerry, my friend and my boss. We'll both be living in the building next door.
Oh, yeah. Jake and Jerry.
Yes.
The two J's. You're most welcome.
I agree.
My name is Jennifer.
Nice name.
Jennifer.
Yeah,
A beautiful name for a beautiful lady.
I agree.
Hi, how about you? Hello.
Oh my god, that's him.
Who?
My love interest.
Your love interest? Who?
Okay. The one on white trousers and collared shirt.
You mean same?
Yes! Him.
But what is he doing coming here to leave? But if you ask me, I think it's a good one. It makes it easy for you.
You think so?
Yes. You can always walk up to him and profess your love for him.
It's not as easy as you think. And having him around is just gonna make me more nervous.
What are you saying, Maya? Walk up to him and read your heart letter to him. You like him, Maya?
Bro. Big man. So tell me, what's our next move? What's the plan?
The next plan, my friend.
Oh yes, I want to know.
This time around, we go hard. We go hard, my friend. I have a secret. I'm the face behind the faceless app. I've been the one sending gifts to your doorstep. And I'm also responsible for you staying here without paying rent. I understand the confusion. But in my fantasy world, I've been dating you. Yes. From the very first time we spoke on the Faceless app, you were bold, quite arrogant. And no woman has ever spoken to me like that before. There was something about it that intrigued me so much, and And I had to take it upon myself to unravel the face behind the app. And I succeeded. Everything I've done has been for a reason. And the reason being that I'm in love with you. I'm attracted to you, and I have strong feelings, and that's the reason I would do anything and everything to see you happy.
You love someone. What prevents you from walking up to her and telling her how you feel?
The fear of rejection. I didn't want to walk up to you, get turned down, and ruin my fantasy world. Everything I've done and everything I did with the help of my friend and my brother here. The CEO of the company I work for, J-Link's agency. He helped me put things together financially. But that's not the point. The point here, Maya, is that I have strong feelings for you. And it has taken me a while to man up and come speak to you about it. And that's why I'm here.
Well, I've also been dating you in my own fantasy world. And I've been looking for the perfect opportunity to tell you without getting turned down. Maybe my boldness and arrogance is my own way of expressing my feelings. And trust me, I've also dug deep to discover the face behind the faceless app. And I succeeded. So, do you think we can become an item?
Yes.
Ooh. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting
Yeah, so
my time.
no, it's not a big deal. We can handle it. Yes, of course. We'll start by Monday. Sorry, let me get back to you, please.
Hi, Jerry.
Hi, Jenny. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
I must say you must be a very good friend to have put all that up.
Oh,
I mean, for everything you've done for your friend and brother, like he said, it shows how far you can go for friendship.
yes, of course. Good friends are worth dying for, And then my brother and friend Jake he's just one of a kind. Yeah.
I like you. Yes, I mean, I have fallen in love with you. Somehow I have fallen in love with the CEO of J-Link's agency, and I don't know why. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm being too forward, or maybe you don't like me as well.
No. No, that's not what I'm saying. No, I didn't say that. No. No.
So, is that a yes? I mean, can we be friends? Can we be lovers?
Lovers. Yeah, sure. Of course.
Please.
Yeah, we can be.
Can I help you?
hug. Yeah.
Yeah, ooh. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got too many things I want to do with you. Places to go with it, yeah. To make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got too many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you. To make you feel alright. Oh baby, quit the drama. Tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said quit the drama. Allow me to come into your life. I said quit the drama. Tell me that you love me. I said quit the drama. Allow me to come into your life. Hey, she believe it to baby, no time, no time. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got too many things I want to do with you. Places to go with it, yeah. To make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got too many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you. To make you feel alright. Oh baby, quit the drama. Tell me you love me. Oh yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Ever wonder what will happen when this whole thing blows up?
Thought about what?
Come on, man. You know what I'm talking about. Have you thought about what will happen when your love interest discovers you've been living a lie? Or when she discovered that we actually switched identity so that you just avoid gold diggers, just like they caught you in the past? Or when she only discovers that the CEO of Jalen's renowned Jalen's agency is the one sitting right in front of me and not me? Or the last one, what if they discover that the apartment actually belongs to you, not mine?
Actually, my friend, I have no idea what you're talking about. Bro. They actually belong to you.
They don't belong to me, but seriously, I'm not joking about this. Have you actually thought about what happened?
When we get to that bridge, we will definitely cross it. Anyway, how about your lover?
What?
Your woman, no?
Come on, bro. She's not my woman. You can say that. I mean, she's not even my spec, bro. No. We're just playing the game.
We're playing the game?
Yeah.
Chief gamer.
Come on, please.
Teach me the game. No, the hanger. Teach me the game.
But bro, seriously, sometimes I think about this. I think you should think about it too.
Don't worry about it. I'm in control.
Okay. I'll take that.
Alright.
I'll take that.
Alright.
I'll take that.
Jenny! Jenny, where are you? Girlfriend! Jenny! Where are you? Jenny?
Jenny! Hey, girlfriend! Jenny, guess what? Come and see. So, guess what? So, I decided to surprise my mom with a gift. I got him a gift! Stand up now, come and see, Jenny!
Man, if only they could count 10% of a woman's love and reciprocate it, the world would have been a better place.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Your Jake is seeing someone else. As a matter of fact, he has a fiancée and she's carrying his child. She came by the house earlier today.
What?
No, Jenny, that's not true.
What's not true?
That's a fact. She came today and she said all these things to me. So Jake has someone else.
It's a birthday in Bahamas, bro.
Birthday in Bahamas.
Yes. I am taking my baby for a surprise birthday party in the Bahamas.
This is big.
I know.
You must really love this girl.
Of course I love her. Look, let me tell you something, brother. When you love a woman, her happiness becomes your priority. And I love Maya, and nothing will make me a more happier man in the world than to see her happy. How about that?
Oh my, oh my, oh my. This is good. Yeah. The professor. Man, that is in love. The lover boy himself.
No, I would prefer to be called the love doctor.
The love doctor.
Exactly.
Oh, you've got this, bro. I'm happy for you.
I think you should come to me for some lessons, don't you think?
No. Thank you. Oh my.
Maya, wait! What are you doing? Where are you going to?
To speak to him, of course.
Speak to him about what? I don't understand. It's a no-no for me, Maya. Listen, Maya, I'm not going to be here and watch you make such a mistake. Why would you want to go and talk to a man over something he didn't talk to you about?
Well, you talked to me about it.
But he didn't talk to you about it, my darling. Relax. Eh? Man, you go to trust man. Man! Listen, here is the game plan. I feel this is the right time to test his love for you. That's if he ever loved you. Wait and see if he's going to come talk to you about it. If he doesn't, it's obvious he's not transparent, and such man can kill. But if he does, then we're good to go. Alright? And I would suggest you give him a little time to see his reactions.
So, Big J.
Yeah.
What's up with you and this agro-tech company?
Yeah, I've been trying to reach an agreement with them. I believe it will work out. Yeah.
Definitely. With the amount of energy we are putting into this, I believe it will work out.
Bro, it has to work out.
Of course, it has to.
I don't have a choice.
Yeah. So, that reminds me.
Yeah?
What's up with your woman? She didn't come around today. I'll be on. I don't do one for my back. There's nothing you cannot do.
I'm tired of you, bro. What kind of question is that? Are you some sort of monitoring spirit or something?
No, bro.
But actually, she's probably busy with some stuff. I think maybe when she's free, she'll come around another time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, come check this. Tell me what you think. This is the first draft of the document I prepared.
This is definitely good.
This is good, right?
Very good. Very good.
So we'll work with this one.
Yeah. This is perfect for me. Yeah.
Thanks.
So the logistic department have assessed the whole proposal, and from my end, I feel it's more pros than cons.
You feel all you know.
I know, sir.
Let me take a look. All right, then. In that case, I say we'll give it a try.
Good day, sir.
All right, good day. Please sit.
Thank you.
All right, you can go.
Yes, sir.
Jerry,
Yes, sir.
what's with all the sir?
Oh, courtesy, sir.
Courtesy.
Yes, sir. Courtesy demands that I respect my boss and I take orders from my boss anytime, anywhere.
Yeah, see. Well, in that case, why don't you kneel down here and raise your hands up and show proper courtesy and respect to your boss?
On my knees.
Yes, yeah.
All right. Yes, boss. Here, like here.
Here, here.
Yes, anything for my boss.
That's so funny, man.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good. So, take a look at this and this.
Easy.
Take a look at this one as well.
Hey, girlfriend. What's going on? I thought we were supposed to be heading out together. You're not even dressed.
I don't think I'll be with you again. I'm so tired.
What do you mean by you're so tired? I mean, going to the mall was your idea, so why are you changing your mind? Or should we just reschedule?
Maya, we don't have to reschedule because I said I'm tired. Just go and get the stuff for us. I'll be here.
Are you sure you want this? Let's just reschedule now.
Just go.
I don't like it. Stop that.
Come here.
Bye. See you. Bye. Bye.
See you soon.
Yeah.
AJ.
Oh, hi, Jenny. Oh, you startled me for a bit. Please sit.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm very well. How about your friend?
Oh, Maya. She's fine. She's doing good.
Where is she?
She went out to see. Never mind. She went out.
Went out to where and to see who?
Come on, Jay, don't be like that.
Don't be like how?
I said she went out. Besides, she's your woman and you're in a better position to know where she went to. But as for me, she went out.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay.
So what have you been up to and what are you doing?
Well, I'm just trying to sort out one or two things here. Work related.
Okay.
Oh. So, what brings you to my place? So what? See. Do you want anything to drink?
Hi, Jenny. Jenny? Jenny!
What? What is it?
What's going on? I just called you several times. You didn't even want to answer me.
And what? I didn't want to answer you. So what's next? What's next now? Can't I walk around this environment without you noticing me?
Hey.
Can't you just pretend like you did not see me? Busybody.
Yeah. So Tunde, I'm looking at the emails you sent. I'm quite not satisfied with what I'm seeing. So can you make an edit and send back to me? Because I don't think this is presentable yet. So work in it and send it back. And get back to me. Hey, what's up?
Bro, like, what's wrong with her?
With who?
This Jennifer of a girl. The way she just reacted out there. Something is definitely wrong with her.
Well, I should be asking you that question. Considering that you are her lover.
Please, check. Please, man.
What?
I've said this before. She's not my woman. Okay? We're just using her to fill the void while you get enough information to achieve your love goals with her friend Maya.
Yeah.
So please, minus that, if I see that lady on the road, I wouldn't even notice her. She's not my spec. She's not my type. Yes.
No string.
No strong feelings. Not even a small feeling at all. I just don't like her.
Bad guy.
Please stop this. So what are you up to?
Well, to business now. I'm telling Tunde I'm not satisfied with the reports he sent, and he's stressing me with all of this because I don't understand the figures.
Oh, I see. You know what? Just keep doing the work. I'll just get you something to drink. Keep your brain active.
Guy, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Where is she?
Where is Hope?
Where is Maya? Where is my woman?
I don't understand what you're saying. What do you mean, where is Maya?
If Maya does not come out here now, you will see the other side of me that you will not like.
Hey, listen, don't do anything stupid here. We have neighbors. People are watching.
I don't care whether you have neighbors or not. How can women be this kind of wicked? She aborted my babies and... I don't understand. It's better she comes back home. It is better she comes back. You can call her on phone.
It's fine. Maya is not home. When she gets back, I will talk to her. So please, can you leave?
Let me just come back here by tomorrow without seeing her. Because I'm sure that is the both of you. The both of you. It is the both of you that planned this nonsense.
Just leave.
Nonsense.
There's nothing you can do.
Eh?
There's nothing you can do.
You say? Oh, when time nonsense.
With your rabbit here.
Hello. Something for Jake.
Hi, the lady from the other day that came looking for Jake, right?
The lady you said? Anyways, I'm Jake's fiancée. Yes, you heard me right. And I'm carrying his child. I don't even know the reason why Jake has been avoiding me all this while. Yes, you heard me right. I don't know the reason why he's avoiding me. Anyways, I have looked for Jake everywhere and I have aborted for this guy 3 times! 3 good times! And I'm carrying his child now. Yes. I don't even want to know. Maybe he thought that if he moves to a new house, I will not find him. But I'm here. I've heard about his gist that he sleeps with different women and put them in a family way. But this will be the last person he will try such nonsense with. Did you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Did you hear me?
Okay, ma'am. Please, can you leave?
Really?
Get out.
Please leave.
Hey. Men are really scum. They would stain your white and stain it so effortlessly. Why on earth would a man not be transparent with a woman he claims to love? Too bad. Don't do this right now, don't. It's okay. I would fix it. We'll fix it. You never can tell. She might be lying. Don't do this. Don't. Okay? We'll fix it. Trust me.
Don't you dare act dumb with me. How do you claim to love a person and yet you cannot open up to him? Wait a minute. Do you have someone else you're dating out there? Someone you've committed multiple abortions for? Someone you've squandered his money and now you're hiding? Is that what it is?
Excuse you?
Excuse you? You're quite excused.
Jake, are you trying to gaslight me here?
Gaslight you? Why the hell would I do that?
Because you turn around and accuse me of things that you're guilty of. Jake, what kind of a man are you? You sleep with different women, put them in family and then kick them out. And you come to me with your holier than thou attitude. Oh my goodness, how did I see this side of you?
What the hell are you talking about?
Please, come on, Jake. Can you just own up to your flaws? And stop gaslighting me because your woman was here. She said lots of things about you and you stand here and you're trying to lie to me? I mean, why are all men liars like this?
Hey, Jay. Come on, Jay. Don't do this to yourself. Don't let this get at you. I know my friend Maya, she would come around and apologize. But for now, I would suggest you don't get closer to her because going closer to her will fuel the whole thing. Like I said, she would come around and apologize. And you'll be fine. And I got you. Okay. Now someone needs to smile. Why are men like this? Eh? You were caught doing something bad. All you need to do is apologize and you will be forgiven. But no, rather they would gaslight you and throw an attack. Honestly, in my next life, I still want to be a woman and not the other gender. Come on, Maya. I'm not saying all of this to make you feel bad. But I know Jake will come around. But I feel you need to give him some little space. Because he believes what he's doing right now is right. So just give him some little space and he will come around and apologize to you.
Come on, bro. Jay. Come on. You don't have to do this to yourself. Huh? You don't have to shrink yourself like this because of a lady. Look, man. I do understand that you love Maya so much. But it's not worth your mental health. Yeah? If you try to settle the differences between the two of you and it's not working out, then you have to move on. We have a lot of work to do. Please. And then perhaps there are so many ladies out there. Come on, be a man. If you turn yourself into a small boy, we have a lot of work to do, bro. Huh?
If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got to many things I want to do with it. Places to go with it, yeah, to make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got to many things things I want to do to you, places I wanna rock with you, to make you feel alright. Oh baby, with the drama, tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said with the drama, allow me to come into your life. I said with the drama, tell me that you love me. I said with the drama, allow me to come into your life. Hey, she believe it to baby, no time. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me, the letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already.
Why do I have this feeling that the recent happenings in this apartment that you're making? Like, you have a hand in this, right?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You can go on and pretend. But my instincts never lie to me. But for the sake of clarity, let me just warn you. If you have a hand in this, you better desist and correct it now. Because very soon, your sins will fall down on you.
That your instinct is thinking, it's smelling.
Don't worry, just keep pretending.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Keep pretending, but I can see.
Hey. Look at this jobless busybody. This white hen. I believe you're better right now. You see, when we do the right things at the right time, it works out fine for us. I know how long it took me to convince my friend that you're not a bad person. And that's because I care for you. And talking about the right time, this is the time to talk with her. I've tried talking things over with her, but you know we women, we have pride. And we always want the men to come first. And I know you love my friend. So, swallow your pride. Let it go. Yes. Good boy.
You knew about this? Maya. Maya. Maya! Jerry!
Listen to me, bro. This is crazy. I didn't know. You have to believe me. I don't have any idea of all this. Please.
Are you being serious right now? No, Jerry. Are you being serious right now? Jerry, why are you this mean? Sleeping with your best friend, Philmond, because you know they are not in talking terms. So you took advantage of that fact to sleep with her.
What are you talking about?
Shut it! Shut it! You think my girlfriend has not been showing me series of messages where you wish it was yours and not Jake's? Huh? Don't you have shame? Jerry, don't you have shame? What happened to the bedroom? What happened to the hotel? Huh? Must it be now that they're trying to get back together? You're so shameless. You're wicked. You're a devil. A green snake under a green grass. Huh?
See, bro, you have to believe me. Seriously, I don't know what she's talking about.
Oh,
Please.
you don't know what I'm talking about. Well, I don't blame you. I blame my girlfriend who opened her legs for a white dog like you. You're wicked. Devil, that's what you are. A green snake under a green grass.
This since has been found out now. Little white bird will never reach to fly. Won't force himself fly. Now you see where he don't land. Yes.
Maya, wait, are you being serious right now? Like, are you sure about this, Maya?
I have to. I need to go somewhere far away to cool off my head. It's for my mental health. I really need this.
As much as we're best friends, I know you're not a baby and you know what's best for you, so I got you.
Yeah,
I'll call you.
You know what you feel is so true. Come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got many things I want to do with it. Places to go with it, yeah. To make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you. To make you feel alright. Oh baby, with the drama, tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said with the drama, allow me to come into your life. I said with the drama, tell me that you love me. I said with the drama. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby.
Maya is dead. I didn't want to tell you this before now because of the circumstances that surrounded her death. She died a week ago while trying to abort the baby in her womb. The drug she took messed with her system. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got too many things I want to do with you. Places to go with it, yeah, to make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got too many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you, to make you feel alright. Oh baby, quit the drama, tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said quit the drama, allow me to come into your life. I said quit the drama, tell me that you love me. I said quit the drama, allow me to come into your life. Hey, she really believed to baby, no time, no time. If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got too many things I want to do with you. Places to go with it, yeah, to make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got too many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you, to make you feel alright. Oh baby, quit the drama, tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said quit the drama, allow me to come into your life. I said quit the drama, tell me that you love me. I said quit the drama, allow me to come into your life. Hey, she really believed to baby, no time, no time. Tell me, why do you love me? And why have you chosen me? Am I better than your ex? Or is it just that it's because I'm the only available option? Tell me. You're not saying anything, man.
Well, you know, sometimes in life, good things give way for better. And no doubt I loved your friend. Loved. But I was then. And now, I love you even better.
I like the way it sounds. Come here.
You're so nasty. And I like it. So I approve of the, you know, the whole color scheme, but I don't think our company is properly represented here.
Hi,
Hi, sweetheart.
Yes, baby.
How's my baby doing? Come here.
I'm good, baby.
My day has been good.
See. Yeah.
Sorry to cut you guys short, but I think I should just go with this and then that.
Yes, please.
I'll get back to you, sir.
Thank you. So, what have you had?
Nothing yet. You know it's work hours. You're not supposed to be here. So, wait, let me put this aside. Bro, I'm actually going on a vacation with my woman. Myself and Jennifer, we're taking a long trip. And I feel it's necessary for me to clear my head with it.
Okay.
As much as we've had our differences, I just want you to know that I've forgiven you. We're men, and we shouldn't be keeping grudges of any sort. Right? So I want you to take charge of the house. You know, facilitate everything you do for me in the company, which I actually appreciate, you know that. And I'm going to be away for a long time. And by the time we return, we'll be talking about walking down the aisle, starting a family type of thing. And you're not getting younger. I suggest you find yourself a woman as well.
Thank you. Wow. You know I got you, bro. Okay? So, we've come a long way.
Yeah,
And then we shouldn't allow anyone to come in between us. I mean, not even a woman. Alright? In as much as I pray that you know what you're embarking on, I know that you're fully grown to make the best decisions of your life. But for every other thing, as much as you're not around, I got you. Alright?
brothers.
Yeah. Always. All the best, bro.
All the best, man.
Oh, you're here. Are you okay? Why are you okay? What is it? There's tears in your eyes. Where am I?
Calm down. Calm down. I will tell you everything. I was used by your friend to make life uncomfortable for you. Secondly, she paid me and some boys to kidnap you, drug you, and also to kill you. She made me make an accusation of you're pregnant for me and you aborted the baby. She made us do a lot of things to you, and since then my conscience has been flogging me. She asked us to drug you and also to kill you. But at the long run, I found out that I'm dealing with my distant cousin. Even myself, I don't know how it came about. I'm just a young boy in Lagos, hustling for myself. But because of the situation of the country, that's why I accepted the money that she paid us. I'm sorry, sister, please, forgive me. Please, I am sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I just did all these things because of money. Please. Normally, I'd be one roadside boy for Nichawede. Hustle on myself to get things right. I beg, please, forgive me.
Friendship I thought was for good. Boost our happiness and reduce the stress. Gives us a sense of belonging that someone somewhere cares for us and is always there to celebrate good times and support us during bad times. I guess I was wrong. You want to make me believe that we don't need friends. But guess what? I disagree with you because I do.
Maya, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Jake, Jerry, please forgive me.
Forgiveness. You think you deserve forgiveness? The only reward for people who do the kind of things you do is punishment. And that forgiveness, you will ask for it behind bars in a police cell.
Sorry. Just let it go.
Let it go?
Cutting ties of the friendship will be the judgment. Now, I want you to leave my house. Leave my life and never return.
Yeah, you can't do that.
No!
Friendship, I thought it was for good, to boost happiness and reduce stress. Give us a sense of belonging, purpose and protection, to feel safe with someone. A friend is someone who helps us to celebrate good time, and someone who cries when we're crying. But you make me feel like we need friends no more. Everybody on their own. But I disagree with you, cause you are a bad friend. Yes, I do. You are very mean to me. You are a friendly enemy. And that's why I keep on asking, why are you such a bad friend to me? You got me asking, yeah, if you really are my friend. Why are you such a bad friend to me? You got me asking, hey, cause everything you do only makes me cry. Hey, cause the only thing you do is to break my heart. Hey, you're a friendly enemy. Friendship, I thought it was for good, to boost happiness and reduce stress, give us a sense of belonging.
Hey, come off it. What's wrong?
You know, life is really a teacher.
I agree. We live, we learn, and eventually we conquer.
Yes,
Yes.
we live and conquer. And also a lot learnt.
So tell me, what have you learned from all of this?
Well, I'm not in a classroom, am I? So you tell me, what have you learnt?
Okay, let me start. You go first.
I asked first, so you go first.
I asked first.
No, I did. Tell me, what did you learn?
Ladies first.
No, that doesn't apply to this. Men first.
The truth is, I can actually make you start talking.
How?
How?
Yes.
Are you doubting?
Well, I'm gonna talk. I'm
Are you going to talk?
Yes, I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna talk.
Start. What have you learned?
What are you doing here? Huh? Like, who did? How did you even get in here in the first place?
Jay, I apologize. I know you're still hurting and you're still angry over what happened, but I'm sorry.
That is not the answer to my questions.
But you asked 2 questions. I don't know which one in particular to answer. Okay, how did I get in here? The outside door was open, so I made my way into this place. And what am I doing here? Jay, you know I want us.
I'm listening.
Jay, look around you. Everyone is getting married. I mean, getting hooked up, linking up with the love of their lives. Huh? And since, you know, your friend and my friend are together now, I was thinking we could become a thing, and who knows, if the wedding bell rings, it surely will be talk of the town. Don't you think so? Jay?
It's the audacity for me. Huh? Remind me your name again, please.
What do you mean I should remind you my name?
Yes.
Don't you know my name? My name is Jennifer.
Jennifer. Jennifer or Lucifer? Of course your name is not Jennifer. Your name is Lucifer.
Come on, Jay, don't be like this. How can you call me Lucifer? That's not the name of human. It's the name of a devil.
Exactly. Jennifer the Lucifer. The Lucifer the devil. But let me remind you, there's a special place for the punishment meant for all the Lucifers.
Who is talking? You, what are you?
What are you?
What am I?
What are you?
Wait, let me show you. No, wait!
If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got many things I want to do with it. Places to go with it, yeah. To make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you. To make you feel alright. Oh baby, with the drama, tell me you love me.
Okay, so I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye.
Babe, ever since the first time I set my eyes on you, I knew I wanted to spend forever with you. And right now, I think this is the best time to ask you, because it will make me the happiest man in the world. And please don't say no. Maya, would you marry me?
Yes. I'll marry you.
If you know what you feel is so true, come read it out to me. The letters of your heart. If you know what you feel is so strong, just say it already. Stop wasting my time, baby. Because I got many things I want to do with it. Places to go with it, yeah. To make you feel alright, yeah. I said I got many things I want to do to you. Places I wanna rock with you. To make you feel alright. Oh baby, with the drama, tell me you love me. Oh yeah, I said with the drama. Friendship I thought it was for good, to boost happiness and reduce stress. Give us a sense of belonging, purpose and protection. To feel safe with someone. A friend is someone who helps us to celebrate good time, and someone who cries when we're crying. But you make me feel like we need friends no more. Everybody on their own. But I disagree with you, cause you are a bad friend. Yes, I do, you are very mean to me. You are a friendly enemy, and that's why I keep on asking, why are you such a bad friend to me? You got me asking, yeah, you're my friend. Why are you such a bad friend to me? You got me asking, hey, cause everything you do only makes me